trimmers, make our guideline. Go with our no guard lever open. Next step, grab our half guard, lever open, and then lightly create your guideline. The hair density is a little higher, so it's okay if I go in here with my half instead of my one.
Are you ready to take your barbering journey to the next level? Subscribe to my barber channel today and unlock a world of inspiration, education, and growth in the art of barbering.
Next, I'm gonna do a 1.5 open, see what it does.
The video you are currently watching, that's thumbnail, has an amazing content with cool and new tips being taught in it. Be sure to check out this video through the link provided at the top of the page or the link pinned in the comments.
Close the lever. Open it up again. We're gonna grab our one, and we're not gonna tackle this line, we're gonna go above that. So close to that 1.5 we just did. Just flick at the dark spots. Now we're gonna go and grab our half guard and then tackle the second guideline. Lever play. Now we're gonna go with our shaver. And now we have two areas to really focus on. We have this bald line, right here, and then we have the weight by the parietal that we have to blend in a little more, and once we complete that, we're pretty much done with the fade. You can leave the weight there, it doesn't look bad, but to my liking, I don't like it. A little more blend to it would be nice. Grab your trimmer. Now grab your clipper again, no guard, lever closed. Start flicking at the line. Light pressure. Why? Oh no.
I'm gonna trim this a little bit just to make it look more. I can probably like just going back in.
Rid of that weight on the parietal, so I'm just gonna use my comb and my trimmer, just because I feel like I have a little more control getting the angle or keeping the angle.